What's up, guys? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here. Today we are going to be bleeding the brakes on the 2003 F150. This used to be my daily driver. It's been kind of been sitting a little bit, so yeah, with the sitting, now the brakes need to be bled. So going to kind of go through the procedure of doing this. First thing is you want to make sure that the reservoir has fluid in it. And on mine, it doesn't look like there's fluid in it, or there's very little fluid. So, I don't know. I think there's a leak, but I don't see a leak. So we're gonna bleed it and see what's up. So, if your fluid is low, you wanna put more fluid in it. If I remember correctly, I think what you wanna do is if you're gonna bleed your system, you wanna take out the old brake fluid. And to do that, you'd either buy a specialized piece of equipment to do it, or you'd get a turkey baster to suck it out. I was gonna use this Spider-Man fucking dollar store dick toy thing and suck it out, but it doesn't quite fit in there. So we're gonna keep the old fluid in there, but put new fluid in it. I'm gonna try to be fucking a champ and not spill this. I'll take the glasses off of this mold. Boy. That's to the top. I'm gonna put that on so I don't suck air back into the system when I'm doing the bleeding, pumping thingy thing. So yeah, all right. When you do this, you want somebody with you, or you want to buy a power bleeder. I'm not doing all that because I have another person with me. So if you're fortunate enough to have another person with you, brother, sister, grandma, dog, or whoever. You want them to pump the pedal 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, hold. You want to crack the bleeder valve, let the fluid out. Once no more fluids is coming out, you want to tighten it and then tell them to release. You want to continue to do that until you see all the air come out of the system. You'll see it because the fluid will be bubbly. I'll probably show you if I have any air in the system. So yeah, let's do it. There's so much traffic on my street. Anyway. Reservoir is on the driver's side, so you want to go on the passenger side rear and start that side first. And then after the passenger side rear, you want to go driver's side rear, passenger side front, and then very last one you want to do the driver's side front. So you always start on the side furthest from the reservoir. The bleeder screws are usually, I think, 9mm to 13mm in size. I'm not sure. And when you get under there, you'll see it's like a little nipple. This is the bleeder screw. That is what you want to crack to let the fluid out. Found out that it's a little bit more involved than just bleeding. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So I'm gonna have it get pumped 3 times, and then we're gonna hold it. All right, go ahead and pump. As you guys can see from the beautiful puddle on the ground, one of the fucking brake lines are leaking. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Try to go to Pep Boys again, see if they have it, and replace this line. So it's good to know. Like I said, I didn't think that there was air in the system because I recently replaced the calipers on this, and when I did that, I bled all 4 sides and got all the air out of it. So I for sure have a fucked line, and yeah, now I'm gonna locate it. Hopefully Pep Boys, Advanced Auto, or whoever has the part, and I can get it done today. Because kind of annoying when you need something and you can't drive it. So, all right, yeah, that's that. Oh, I'm fucking pissing all over the place. Alright guys, so Pep Boys, Advanced Auto, AutoZone, all those places do not have the part, and that's just my luck. I think there's something on the camera. Let me wipe you down real quick. Alright, so yeah, those 3 auto places don't have it. So yeah, I'm going to have to order it, which means that this video is a bust, just like everything right now going on. So it's leaking like what seems to be a gallon a minute. Ordered a part off of RockAuto, a little under $50. Should be here Thursday, so this video will be sort of incomplete until then. When I get the part, I will do a video of it. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, buy a sticker, $7, help me out. Help me recoup some of that money and continue to make videos. Alright, y'all, peace.